Ready for the dictation? 3, 2, 1, start. Learned Senior Counsel further asserted that the contention of pre-existing dispute as raised by the respondent has to be seen in the light of the aforesaid observation of the Honorable Supreme Court that the adjudicating authority is to see that the dispute is not a patently feeble legal argument or an assertion of fact unsupported by evidence. Stop. To substantiate his point, he stated that the argument of the CD is that there was serious service disruption on account of suspension of service by the applicant, which led to filing of telecom petition number 55 of 2022 on 8/12/2022 and a claim by the respondent before the Honorable TDSAT. Stop. However, the CD, in support of their argument regarding pre-existing dispute, could only produce a few letters written by the CD to Bharti Airtel to disconnect some customers who has asked to be disconnected, presumably on account of suspension of service and nothing more. Stop. Further, Learned Senior Counsel emphasizes that if there was such a serious effect of the suspension of service, then there should be a large scale filing of complaints by the customers, which the CD has failed to substantiate. Stop. Therefore, the petition for initiating insolvency resolution of the CD should be admitted. Stop. Stranger. Per contra, Mr. Satish Parasaran, Learned Senior Counsel for the CD, submitted that the present arrangement between the parties is in the nature of partnership to provide telecom services to the third parties oblique subscribers on a charge not exceeding MRP to be mutually agreed between the parties. Stop. He emphasized the fact that both the parties are licensees of the Department of Telecommunication, having unified license for ISP authorization. Stop. He submitted that para 2 of the MOU dated 19/6/2021 clearly states that the MOU is a framework for collaboration between the parties. Stop. He submitted that on account of illegal suspension of internet services by the applicant, services to the customers were disrupted, basis which 2 FIRs were filed before the relevant police authorities. Stop. Further, telecom petition number 55/2022 was filed by the respondent before the Honorable TDSAT, in which the Honorable TDSAT wide interim order dated 12/12/2022 granted protection to WPISPL by restraining OC from taking coercive measures on the condition that the PDCs issued by WPISPL to one OTT shall be honored. Stop. Further, the applicant, that is one OTT, moved an application MA01/2023 in telecom petition number 55 of 2022 for vacation of stay and also filed a counterclaim in response to the telecom petition number 55 of 2022. Stop. Stanza. Further, on 30/1/2023, Honorable TDSAT passed an order raising a query regarding the validity of MOU entered between the parties in as much as it proposes to transfer one licensee's business to another. Stop. Order dated 31, 2023 read as follows. Stop. Over.